activity, with the learning activity, meet level 5 collaboration meeting. Interdependent. Interdependent one, the student team must decide how. He must share responsibility. Must he create independently? No. Must what? And yes, the educator provides deadline, they cut up. And due date. Remember, must decide yes. Next. So, commence. Written today, question available for review. Yes. 1G. Next. Next. Which two learning activities work together to facilitate? How to become TNT? They need to work on the project. To go and make the Makai.
Level 4, the innovation.
During the week of the project, the activity that is scheduled to meet with the yes. Bari bapanze kugenda bahura online Skype ariko biza kubikibazo ko batongera kubonana baje bakoresha na application ziborohereza. Student school assembly, student artistic class, school yes. Based on task outlined the group which part of the learning activity illustrating substantive decision. Substantive decision means provide checklist recap. Group meet even 3 weeks for a feedback session. Let's see. Student determine role or responsible a schedule accordingly choosing on strategy. D. Which learning activity contributed to an environmental self-regulation level 4? Each feedback and revise. Sharp no feedback. How are choose 3? I can represent possible strategies in videos. Animals provide the preparation. Check with this success policy. Let's want to direction shamo hariya D. Which remember D with the F.
D.
F. How to present the strategy to the ground executive. E. Corrective decision. Meet with the UNFC cooperative feedback. D. Bila bibazo umkuwa ngo ushobora kwanga ndi na kureba content iri niba ijya kuri news kwaje
Yeah, done.
Finish. Yes. And exit. Yes. And hano hino.
Magana cyenda ntabwo yavuga iyo buke gukora subscribe gusa iyo atari wowe ugiye guhabwa report biroroha kubivuga oya
ikoreshe
yibuke gukora subscribe wakoze nani
turimo turashutinga twasubiye inyuma Wibuke gukora subscribe ku rubuga mujye mubona amakuru yizewe kugira ngo ubashe gukorera MCE certificate mu buryo bworoshye.